Gestational diabetes needs special care, especially when it comes to food. Here are 12 best low-carb foods that help control blood sugar and support healthy weight. 1. Eggs are rich in protein and filling. 2. Greek yogurt gives calcium and probiotics easily. 3. Leafy greens like spinach and kale help fiber. 4. Avocado adds healthy fats for blood sugar. Curious how a simple nightly routine with natural, non-GMO ingredients can tackle belly fat? Check the link in my bio. 6. Chicken and fish give clean lean protein power. 7. Nuts and seeds offer crunch with good fats. 8. Berries add natural sweetness and antioxidants too. 9. Cauliflower works great instead of rice or potato. 10. Zucchini makes tasty low-carb noodles at home. 11. Cottage cheese builds protein for strong body. 12. Olive oil supports heart health and balance. These foods help mom and baby stay healthy. Manage glucose naturally while feeling full and strong.